Stop scrolling. What if one simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen could completely change the way you look at your hair over the next few weeks? I am talking about onions. Yes, plain onion. I know they smell strong. I know many people avoid them. But after using onion juice consistently as part of my weekly routine, I started noticing something surprise. My hair looked fuller, felt stronger, I saw less breakage, my wash day becomes easily, and my hair retained length much better. Today, I will show you exactly how I prepare my onion juice, how I apply it, how long I leave it, my weekly routine, and the biggest mistake that stops many people from seeing results with onion juice. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because one small mistake could make onion juice much less effect. So let's get started. Before we make it, let's understand why so many people has been using onion juice for years. Onions are naturally rich in sulfur. Sulfur is one of the building blocks your body uses to make keratin. Keratin is the main protein that gives hair its structure. Onion also contain antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support a healthy scalp environment. When your scalp is healthy, hair has a better chance to grow without excessive breakage. But remember, healthy hair growth is not only about growing new strands, it's also about keeping the hair you already have. Length retention changes everything. So today's recipe is very simple. You need only 2 medium size of your purple onion. Please don't use white onion. Use purple onion or red onion. So I just go off camera to peel my skin of the onion. But if you have bigger onion size, you can use only 1. But if you have medium size, use 2, okay? Or also 1 depending on the length and the volume of your hair. So after going off camera to peel off the skin and wash it thoroughly to remove dirty and impurities, then the next thing now is to dice it into a very small sizable, okay? You don't need any other thing, just your fresh onion. You're good to go, okay? So after cutting the onion into a small sizable, then this is the amount of onion I have so far. The next thing now is to bring my blender. But if you don't have blender and you want to make this recipe, you can use a grater to grate it. And if you don't have hand grater, just wash your mortar very well, okay? Then use your mortar to pound it. There must be a way out for you to get this recipe, okay? So the main thing of the blending it is to get the onion juice, okay? So I'll go off camera to blend it very well. After blending it, this is the consistency I have so far. Blend it very well because more you blend it, the more onion juice you got, okay? So also if you are pounding it, also pound it very smooth so that it can also extract out all the onion juice out. And also if you are using your grater to grate it, use that smallest size of your grater, then grate it so that all the onion juice can really extract out, okay? So there must be a way out for you to get the onion juice out, okay? Guys, this is very simple recipe. Like as I said before, it's super simple but very effective, okay? So now the next thing now, after grating it or pounding it or blending it, then the next thing now is to bring a shift cloth or a wig cap or your shifter to shifter it. Then make sure whatever you're using is clean and also very tiny hole. Do not allow any onion residues or particles to come in contact with your onion juice. It's not a good experience. So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole and straight out all the onion juice out of the onion chaff. Then the recipe is ready to be used. Do you know that using only this onion juice consistently, your hair will grow like crazy? You don't need to buy expensive products. You don't need to buy expensive things before you can grow that healthy, longer, fuller hair. Before you can regrow your edges or solve those scalp problems. This onion juice weekly routine is a game changer. Onion juice is super effective. It will help you to regrow your edges, thicken up your hair, stop breakage, shedding, and give you that longer, fuller hair you can ever imagine. If you are consistent using it, and if you know the right way to use it, you will never regret using onion juice. That is why I don't joke with onion. I almost add onion in all my routines because it's very effective, very, very powerful, very, very potent, and give that crazy result that those expensive products cannot give to you. Onion is not a joke. Stop ignoring onion. Ignore the smell of the onion. Ignore the strong smell of the onion. Just think of the benefits, think of the gain you will get while using onion juice on your hair. After using onion juice, the smell will not remain on your hair. There must be a way out for you to remove that smell of the onion while you have already get that good benefit of onion. So please stop running away from onion. Start using onion juice right now and you will never regret it. Your hair will grow like crazy. If you are having dull hair, onion juice can give you that natural shine. Onion juice will thicken your hair, stop falling, regrow your edges. A lot of benefits you achieve in only using this one simple kitchen ingredient, and you will never regret it, guys. So after straining out the onion juice, this onion juice I have so far, so the next thing now, I transfer it into my applicator bottle for easy application. Now let me demonstrate to you how I use this as my weekly routine. Okay, just make sure you part your hair in a small section. It's very, very important, whether protective hairstyle or out, especially if your hair is out. Make sure you work in section so that you are 100% sure that this onion juice have covered all the entire of your scalp and also your hair strands. Okay, so apply this onion juice directly on your scalp. Okay, and once you apply it, massage your scalp gently for 5 to 7 minutes. This scalp massage help distribute the onion juice and increase blood flow to your scalp, leading to faster growth and more thicker hair. So after making sure that you apply this onion juice all the entire of your scalp, your problem areas, your hair strands, then the next thing now is to cover your hair. But make sure before you cover your hair, you have massaged your scalp very, very well, 5 to 7 minutes or even 10 minutes. Give yourself a very gentle scalp massage. Then pack your hair up and use your shower cap to cover up your hair. Then if you have steamy cap, you can use your steamy cap, steam it up only 30 to 35 minutes. But if you don't have steamy cap, then use your shower cap and cover it. I like to sit on your hair for 1 hour. After 1 hour, then the next step I follow is to shampoo my hair. After shampooing my hair, I follow up with my moisturizing conditioner. Then my wash day routine is over. Okay, now listen carefully. Here is exactly how I use it. I use it once every week, not every day. Consistent beats overdoing it. Week after week is the best. Okay, your hair is getting the opportunity to stay healthier while reducing unnecessary breakage. But remember, hair growth takes time. The goal is to support healthy hair over weeks and months, not expecting overnight change. Okay, so after staying consistent, my hair felt much softer, my scalp felt cleaner, I experienced less breakage while combing my hair. Wash day becomes easily. My ends look healthier. My hair become easy to detangle. My coils look more defined. And also, I experience less breakage. Then I finally be able to retain more length. Okay? Now listen carefully. Here are the biggest mistake people make why they are not seeing good results with onion juice. Many people said onion juice are not working because they are making those mistakes. Number one mistake is applying it once and expecting miracle. Consistent matters. Okay. Number two mistake is leaving it on your hair all days. Longer is not always better. 35 minutes to 40 minutes is enough for you to see good results. Okay. Number three mistake is using dirty tools. Always prepare everything with clean equipment. Then number four mistake is skipping a patch test. If you have a sensitive skin, test a small area first before you can start using it on your hair, okay? Then number 5 is being rude while washing your hair. Handle your hair gently. Breakage can destroy all the progress you have tried to make, okay? So those are the mistakes can make you not to get good results while using onion juice, okay? So now listen, here are the extra hair growth habits you need to add so that you can get good results while using onion juice on your hair. Along with onion juice, drink enough water, eat protein-rich food, protect your hair at night, okay? Reduce excessive heat styling, moisturize your hair regularly, trim damaged ends when necessary. Healthy habits work together with onion juice. Together, you achieve better results. Now, imagine looking back a few months from now, seeing thicker looking hair, less shedding, less breakage, more confidence. Sometimes, the biggest transformation starts with one simple weekly habit. This onion routine has become one of my favorite natural hair care steps because it's affordable, simple, and easy to stay consistent with. Now, I hope I have convinced you to start incorporating onion juice on your weekly routine. Let me know in comment section below if you're going to add it on your weekly routine, or have you already using onion juice on your weekly routine? Also, let me know and share your experience in the comment section below so that other people can also learn from you, okay? So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe, okay, for more natural hair care recipe like this, DIY treatment and healthy hair routine every week from me, okay? Now tell me in the comment section below, have you ever tried onion juice before, or will this be your first time trying it? Let me know, okay? I would love to hear your experience, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Please guys, stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay consistent, and keep growing beautiful, stronger hair. See you guys on my next video. Bye.